Have you ever thought about growing your own food all year round? It's a tantalizing prospect, isn't it? With year-round gardening, you can enjoy fresh produce every day, regardless of the season. Imagine the money you could save on groceries, not to mention the unparalleled satisfaction that comes from nurturing your own food from seed to plate. Picture biting into a ripe, juicy tomato in the midst of December, or crunching on a fresh lettuce leaf in February. It's all possible with year-round gardening. So, how can you grow food all year round? Well, the answer lies in understanding the rhythm of the seasons and the needs of your plants. Start with choosing the right plants for each season. Cool weather crops like kale and spinach, for example, can thrive in winter, while tomatoes and peppers love the summer heat. During colder months, consider using a greenhouse or an indoor garden. This allows you to control the temperature and humidity levels, ensuring your plants get the best possible environment for growth. Proper care for your plants throughout the year is also crucial. This means regular watering, ensuring they get the right amount of sunlight, and protecting them from pests and diseases. It's also important to rotate your crops. This helps to maintain soil health and prevent disease buildup. Finally, don't forget to be patient. Plants need time to grow, and each season brings its own challenges and rewards. Remember, the key to successful year-round gardening is planning, patience, and persistence. Let's quickly recap the main points we've discussed today. Year-round gardening in a greenhouse can provide numerous benefits, including fresh produce and flowers all year long. The key to success lies in thoughtful planning, unrushed patience, and unyielding persistence. Remember, the garden of your dreams isn't built in a day, but with consistent effort and time, it will surely thrive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!